Hello good people, I'm going to talk about measures of variability. So what are they? They are used to indicate the spread of values within a data set, and they also help us compare and distinguish between different data sets. At this stage you might ask, well, hold on, don't the measures of central tendency do that too? And the answer is yes, to some extent. As you can see, I have drawn three fridges. The interior temperature of each fridge was measured at exactly the same time, and those temperatures were recorded. These three data sets are quite different. However, if I am to look at the measures of central tendency, I would get this. The mean, the median, and the mode for all three fridges is exactly the same. So this would suggest that I have three identical data sets, or at least three data sets that are very similar. However, that is not the case. This is where the measures of variability come in. I'm going to look at three of them. The first one is the range. It is the difference between the maximum value in the data set and the minimum value in the data set. So for the fridge on the left, the range would be 7 minus 2, and that would give 5. For the fridge in the middle, the range would be 5 minus 3, and that would give 2. And finally, for the fridge on the right, the range would be 4 minus 4, and that would give me 0. The smaller the range, the more homogeneous the values of a particular data set are. The other two measures of variability that I'm going to look at are variance and standard deviation. Of the two, the standard deviation is the one that is used most often. However, standard deviation cannot be calculated without calculating the variance first. Both of these explore how spread the data is around the mean. In other words, they tell us something about how clustered the values are around the mean. The calculation of variance and standard deviation is a little bit tricky and will be explored in subsequent videos. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.